Hi guys, welcome in this new video where I'm going to show you a crypto credit card that can help you to earn a lot of money on the internet. So all you have to do is to watch this video till the very end and do not skip any part. So before you can start earning money with this particular crypto credit card, you have to first of all create your account. So for that, all you have to do is to go to the video description and click on the first link over there. So once you click on the first link over there, maybe it will take you to this place. When I started mine, that's where it took me to, but I don't know how your own will be like. So once you get to this place, you have to just try to check your settings. So after that, you'll be getting to this place. So once you get to this place, just try to hold on a little bit or to scroll down a little bit. So you'll see this page will appear where they will ask you to enter here your email. After entering your email, this button will be clickable. So you can click on this button, get code, and go to your email account to copy the code. So you have to make sure you enter a correct email so that they can send you a code so that you can copy that code and come back and paste it over here. So after pasting the code, you can now click on the button get now to continue. So once you click on the button get now, it will now ask you to download the app. So you'll be using this app to perform all your activities and be earning the money. So you have to download the app. So for that, if you're using an Android, click on Google Play. If you're using an iPhone, click on App Store to download the app. So just install it. So after installing it, you have to open it. So click on the button open to open it. So after you've done everything, you will now be taken to this place. Once you are here, just click on the button sign in so that you can sign in your account before you can start everything. So after click on the button sign in, you'll be taken to this place. You enter here your email. So after entering your email there, click on the button next to continue. So once you click on the button next, you'll be taken to this place where they'll ask you to now set your password. So you have to enter a password, confirm the same password. So once you set your password, they will now ask you again confirm your email. So they will send you an OTP in your email account. So you have to go to your email account, copy the OTP, come back and paste it over here. So after that, click on the button login to continue. So once you click on the button login, you can now accept while using the app. So just confirm it. So after that, they will give you a gift. As you can see, you received a 5 USD, let's say $5 spending credit. Complete the kickoff mission within 30 days to use it. So they have given you $5, but you have to complete some missions. You have to perform some tasks before you can use this $5. Once you're here, just click on the button get started. So once you click on the button get started, they will now ask you to do your verification. So you have to choose your country here. As for me, I'm in Ghana, so you can see Ghana came here automatically. After choosing your country, just click on the button next to continue. So once you click on the button next, they will now take you to this page where you have to fill your personal information. So you make sure you fill your information correctly. So after that, click on the button next over here. Okay, but before that, if your country is not among the country, that means you are not allowed to use this app. That means you are not likely, you cannot make money with this particular app, but you can still watch on my channel. You will see more videos that I already did that you can use those strategies to earn money. So I'm sorry for that if your country is not among the countries listed on the platform. So once you fill your profile, you'll be taken to this place where they'll ask you to buy your mobile, your phone number, and do your KIC. So you have to do your KIC before you can start using the app. So just click on the button confirm over here. Okay, so once you click on the button confirm, you'll be taken to this place. You will see that they will said your security is low, so just click on it to increase your security level. As for me, I've added my phone number, but you can also add your Google Authenticator so that your account will be more secure. Okay, so click on buying phone. So after that, enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, you can choose whether you want to receive an SMS or a WhatsApp message. So they'll send you a code, so you have to go there and copy the OTP to and come back and confirm it. So after that, you'll be taken back to your account. So once you'll be back over here, you have to now do the KIC. So for that, just click on the button deposit over here. So once you click on the button KIC, you can see identity verification. So just click on the button identity verification. So once you click on it, you can see that they say profile details. So that's what you've entered where you are creating your account. So your profile details are okay. You can see under review. So the next step is now the identity document. So just click on the button continue over here so that you can start that verification too. So once you click on the button continue, you'll be taken to this place. So once you get to this place, just choose your document, just choose it and continue. You can choose here while using the app the location. After that, they'll ask you to upload your document front and back, and after the document, they will now ask you to do your face verification. So after that, it will just take some seconds and your account will be verified. So after that, you can see now that identity verification will be stick in green over here. That means that your account is fully verified. You can now start performing all the tasks and earn money with this particular app. So as I was saying, you can use this particular crypto credit card to earn money. So the first way to be earning money with this crypto credit card is to be using this crypto credit card to be performing all your online transactions. This crypto credit card is the same thing as Visa card and ATM card, so you can use it to do your Facebook boosting or to pay your Netflix subscriptions or anything that they're asking you to use a Visa card. If you don't have a Visa card, you can use the Redotpay card to perform all those transactions. And also, if you don't want to use it to perform the online transactions, I mean, if you're not doing any online businesses that they're asking you to use a Visa card to perform transactions, you can still use this app to earn money by referring people. So if you refer people that are using the card to be performing their online transactions, you can be earning commissions, and that will help you to earn a lot of money with this particular platform. And for those who want to be using it to be performing their online transactions, you have to buy the card first. So for that, you just have to click on the button card over here. So once you click on the button card over there, you can see that you have the virtual card and you have the physical card. So for the virtual card, you have to spend at least $10 before you can get it. For the physical card, you have to spend $100 before you can get it. So if you want to buy the card, just click on the button home again over here. So once you click on the button home over there, now click on the button deposit here. So once you click on the button deposit there, you can see the different cryptocurrencies that you can use to deposit. The advantage of this particular ATM or this particular card is that you can use crypto to perform everything. So once you're here, you have to choose a crypto. You have USDT, USDC, BTC, and Ethereum. So you can use the crypto that you want. Just click on the crypto. So after click on the crypto, you can now choose how you want to make the payment. So you have Binance Pay. For those who have Binance account, it will be very easy for you. If you don't have a Binance account, you can also choose your USDT on chain deposit so that you can copy the address. So you have the networks over here. So you have USDT on Solana blockchain, USDT on Tron blockchain, USDT on Binance Smart Chain blockchain, USDT on Ethereum blockchain, and you have here OP BNB. So you can choose a network. So USDT BNB Smart Chain, this is the address. They said the minimum amount to deposit is 1 USDT. So after depositing your money, your cryptos, you have to come back and click on the button card again so that you can now purchase your card. So if you are buying a virtual card, click on virtual card. So once you'll be here, click on apply card. I didn't deposit anything, so I cannot continue with this particular action, but I can only show you guys how it works. So as you can see, after click on the button apply for card, you can see over here your virtual card. So if you have money, they will deduct it from your balance and you can have the card and do all your transactions. Or if you want the physical cash, this is what we call ATM. So you can click here. Okay, after clicking on it, they'll ask you to give all your details so that they can send you the card. I think they will send you the card from Malaysia. So from Malaysia, you will receive your card here. So you can use it as ATM, but you make sure you have the cryptos on your Redotpay account over here so that you can withdraw the cash on the ATM machines. So basically, that's how you can be using this crypto credit card to be earning money, to be doing your transactions. So now, for those who don't want to use it for their online transactions, but they still want to get money with the app, is very simple. You have to be referring people. So for that, just click on the button benefits over here. So once you click on the button benefits over here, you can see this is your referral link. Just click on the button share link over here. So once you click on the button share link over there, as you can see, referral link. So this is your referral link. Okay, all you have to do is to click on this button, copy your referral link and start sharing it with people. When you refer many people, you are going to receive a lot of commissions with this particular platform. So you can see over here that they have written, okay, refer and earn up to 40% commission. So if you are referring people, it is very, very interesting. Anytime that your downlines use the app to perform a transaction, you're going to receive a commission, and that will help you to earn a lot. So if you have money and you want to withdraw it too in crypto, just come on your home page here. Once you be here, click on the button more over here. So once you click on the button more over there, you can see withdraw. So just click on the button withdraw, click on the crypto, and you can withdraw this to any of your wallet that you want. So basically that's how you can earn money with this particular app called Redotpay. So guys, basically that's it for this video, and if you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to smash the subscribe button to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post a new video you are going to be notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching guys. God bless you, and see you in my next video.